Adukule!
Aduku, how are you?
How are me? How are we? I'm a money. I know you.
I don't understand. Aduku and Mayo, the guy whose brother you're getting married to.
I'm marrying your brother. Hey, Ishuku. Oh, Maya. Okay. Oh, Makanana, see, you have grown biam and then you are now carrying boogie hairstyle. So I not remembrance you. Hey, Maya. Hey, Confucius now.
I don't understand. The way you speak English right now is strange.
Okay. It's because I doing a standing up comedian. I like to be making people to laugh.
Interesting. I never knew this part of you. My brother likes you because you are different. Despite the fact that you stay in the village, you are academically sound and so beautiful.
Take a look. I'm a now. Even safer, I get the nyash. Take a look.
Oh my God.
Your brother will enjoyment me. Ejoku. I am neshire mo fen salam. Mo feju. Mo fo were. Otobu someone nengoton. Ogaso. So this is how marriage is a sweet. Otobu say na kokoni ishi ga gbake ma hu. Usa.
Aduku, what is it?
Last week. I leave it for later. Even for later. I'm sure to know later or later. Oh, yes, so I need back on a mail. I know my combosa and your own money. I don't even know that.
Is this part of the comedy? What are you doing?
You follow for the comedy. So.
Okay. I'll be writing everything for you, right? What a lady.
Hey, wait. I tell him I want a piece of water. Pena. What I eat? That's the guy that his brother wants to marry you. It's the one I've been telling you about. What did you tell him? Yeah, I tell him that I doing standing up comedian. Thank God, you know what? See, he thinks you are me. Just give me your dress, pull it now. Hey. Well, that you are wear. No, me, I like to wear ukurubam, tuto shahasha. By covering nakedness. This thing you are wearing, I cannot be wearing this one. Don't mess up things for me. I'm trying to get you married here. Come on, put that, just shut up and give me your clothes now. Hey. Hey. Mamuku, my dear. Hey, but perfume. I'm so beauty. Mamuku, Machirin, Lebinaga. Agani.
Wow, your first phone.
Oh, I only just worked my week. I told you that I was doing stand-up comedy.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Man, oh, no, kushi bena. Huh? Oh, no, agani. Isa? Come on, kushi her sister. Eh? Really? wine na ebe ya na nwoke na-akpa nkata. Ụmụasị na-ele ọrụrụ ala ụnụ na-ara nga n'ụda. Ole onye nke wo iwu gbuo m ikewo Adaukwu. Awụ bụ emi sola. Iwu bụ emi. Ma gị na ihe m na-ekwu n'Igbo kamgbe. I'm learning Igbo now. Akwụrụ m kwangi shimda kiri shakpa ngaganga pụrụ m n'ụzọ nga ọsịsọ. Mma biko laghachi ma gaghachi azụ ọ bụ Adaukwu laghachi azụ. Not me, but let me marriage. Not me marriage. Not me. Okay, bon ma. Ina bossa. Mama. Bop ni ma ha me wotem. Awore. Anga mara ihe nka nwa ojo ha no nga ha na-eme. Nwa jojo. Okay, I see my grandma is approaching. I need to go now. I have to go. Ina bossa. Macherem. Can't be silly. Non-stackable.
Adaukwu Hiya! Adaukwu Ndigbo. Nwata musara musa biko subscribe biko on our YouTube channel Nollywood Comedy TV biko subscribe, like, comment. Kaimaro to get na serve no better because you are blind enough ma what we're not doing well, how we're doing it, please let us know. We like to know your thoughts and your mind on each video. Please, my people, beautiful people, I'd like you to please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, follow us on Facebook, Adaukwu Ndigbo Comedy.
Subscribe!
Subscribe, subscribe, because magic.